Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts, your one-stop shop for insightful market analysis. Today, we will delve into the intricacies of the NZDUSD pair, scrutinizing current events and correlating them with the observed chart patterns. We'll begin by reviewing the latest news concerning NZDUSD, focusing on economic indicators and global events. Recent Google searches reveal significant fluctuations in the US dollar against other major currencies. Reports highlight a weaker US dollar against the Japanese yen due to softer economic data and increased confidence in the Bank of Japan. Similarly, the dollar showed weakness against the euro and other currencies due to inflation data. However, the US dollar experienced periods of strengthening, influenced by robust jobs reports and advancing US bond yields. These news events provide a crucial context for our chart analysis, enabling us to identify potential causes for price movements. Now, let's turn our attention to the daily chart of NZDUSD. We can observe a clear downward trend in the past few weeks. However, there are certain points of support and resistance worth noting. A significant support level appears around 0.585, where the price found a bottom before recovering. Zooming in on the 1-hour chart provides greater granularity to the NZDUSD price action. Here, we can clearly see short-term fluctuations and reversals. The price action suggests a period of consolidation before the recent drop. We can identify several instances where short-term support and resistance levels were tested. Examining the 15-minute chart provides us with an even more detailed insight into NZDUSD's short-term volatility. Here we can see several instances of rapid price spikes and dips, signifying intraday trading opportunities for short-term traders. The high frequency of the price change makes scalping a more viable strategy for quick profits. Let's revisit the daily chart of NZDUSD to analyze its longer-term trend. The longer-term chart reveals a more pronounced downward trend that has been persistent for several months. This suggests that the current drop may be part of a larger bearish movement. Switching back to the 1-hour chart, we look for confirmation of short-term reversal patterns. Reversal patterns can often appear as head and shoulders formations or double top/bottom formations. However, in this case, the chart does not suggest a strong reversal signal. Instead, the price action suggests a continued bearish trend in the short term. Finally, let's recap the significant price levels to watch for in NZDUSD. The 0.585 level remains a crucial support level in the short term. A break below could signal further losses. In the medium term, the 0.57 level may provide another layer of support. Resistance levels to observe are 0.60 and 0.62, a break above which could indicate a shift towards a bullish trend. The likelihood of these price levels being tested depends heavily on future news events and economic indicators. A positive jobs report in the US could boost the US dollar and put downward pressure on NZDUSD, making it more likely to breach the 0.585 support level. Conversely, negative economic news from the US or positive news from New Zealand might lead to a bounce, potentially leading to the testing of resistance levels. Keep a close eye on the economic calendars of both countries for significant data releases that could influence the price of NZDUSD.